guys, for this pancake recipe, you would need 2 eggs, 2 cups of flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar, about 2.5 cups milk, or 3 cups. Might need to add more as we go. Just a 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, or just a little. You don't need a lot. For my own little trick, because I like my pancakes golden, I just put a dash of honey. And that's about it. So guys, you would also need a hand whisk. If you don't have a hand whisk, just simply use your manual whisk. So I already have plugged my whisk. I'm just gonna crack my eggs into the bowl. I have a bowl over here. I'm just gonna turn that over here. Okay, so I have a bowl over here already. I'm just gonna crack my eggs. Guys, it's usually nicer to crack your eggs into a different bowls so you don't have to deal with eggshells, but I'm being really careful. So yeah, you crack your eggs, 2 eggs. Just gonna move this out of the way. Move the bowl closer so you can all see it. I think you can see it. Sorry about that. Perfect. Just gonna whisk. A slow whisk. Perfect. In goes my milk. Add my sugar. Nice and incorporated, not too long, where you can see like a lather at the top. Then you just pause and get your flour. So I have my flour here. I'm not sure I'm going to use everything, so I'm not going to add the baking powder just yet. So this is a 1/3 cup measurement, so I'm just going to take it in like 2s and just add as I go. I'll add my baking powder at this point because I want it nice and incorporated. And this is my teaspoon, so I'm just going to grab 1/2 a teaspoon and just pour that in. I don't want it too high up. They're pancakes, yeah, the American pancakes are quite chunky, but the British pancakes, or crepes like they call it, are quite method because you're almost guaranteed you won't be having lumps. Just gonna add another 2 1/3 cups. So 2 1/3 cups. So in this whole bowl, there's 2 cups of flour, so I just want to do a little at a time. Make sure you use a big bowl because you don't want flour everywhere. Lovely. I'm just gonna, at this point, take a ladle, just kind of mix it and check. This is looking perfect. You don't want it too runny, but you don't want it too thick either. I think this is perfect. So I haven't used my whole flour, my whole 2 cups of flour. I've just used 4 1/3 cups in about 2.5 cups of milk. At this point, this is my own secret ingredient because I like my pancakes nice and golden. So I just add a dash of honey to mine. I like it golden. Yeah, the kids have syrup afterwards, but I just like it. At this point, you just need to stir. I'm just going to take off my together. I have my pancake frying over here. When it starts to bubble at the top, that's when you want to flip over. It's nice and bubbly now. This is when we want to flip our pancake over. It's the perfect time to flip. So we're just going to flip it over and wait for it to kind of cook at the other side. And then yeah, you do it very fast. I think it should be cooked through now. It's lovely and golden. Again, I just want to give it a little spray. You don't need a lot anymore because you already have put a little first time, so you just need a little. Again, 1 scoop of my pancake. Goes right in the center. I'm just going to scoop it and turn it the other way. I like it golden, and the honey I put in it makes it nice and golden without having to wait till it's burnt. So that's why I usually put some honey in mine, because I like it really golden. I don't like the white looking pancakes. Sorry about that. For those who like it, again, that's your choice. But I like mine really golden. Once the back is cooked through, really, the front doesn't have to stay too long to cook. You can see, but just make sure it is cooked through.
Yeah, and it doesn't come out. It doesn't stick onto the pan.
You don't want it to stick onto the pan. And so this is the final product.